Vanakkam, hi, hello, how are you all? This is Sudha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little octopus. Let's see how to make it. For this project, I used 3.5 mm crochet needle. To begin with, I used the magic ring this way and make one chain. On the magic ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochet. Now pull the yarn and make one slip knot on the first single crochet. Row number 1 completed. Move to row number 2, chain 1 single crochet on the same stitch and one more single crochet on the same stitch. And now move on to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet on same stitch. Increase by 1. Continue this process, 2 single crochet on each stitches. Total number of stitches is 12. The last stitch, 12th stitch that is. Now slip stitch on the first single crochet and finish it off row number 2. Now move to the row number 3, chain 1 single crochet on the stitch. Put the stitch marker. I didn't use stitch marker for row number 1 and 2 because it's too small. It's a bit difficult for me to handle. So for row number 3, I'm using it. Another single crochet on the same stitch. Now one single crochet on the second stitch and 2 single crochet on the third stitch. Increase by 1. One single crochet on the next stitch. 2 single crochet on the next stitch. Continue this process. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet on the next stitch. Total number of stitches is 18. This is the base of the octopus. Now finish this with the slip knot. Cut the yarn and secure it. Keep it aside. Now going to start the body. For that, make a magic ring. Insert the needle and make one chain, and again 1, 2. This is the body of the octopus. 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet and pull the yarn and make one slip knot on the first single crochet. Now row number 5, chain 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Secure that yarn, 1 and 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Move on to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Total number of stitches is 12. Slip knot and finish row number 5. Now chain 1 single crochet on the first stitch. Put the stitch marker. One more single crochet on the same stitch. On the first stitch, 2 single crochet. Move to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, and on the next stitch increase by 1, 2 single crochet. Continue this process, 1 single crochet on the next stitch and 2 single crochet on the next stitch. Total number of stitches is 18. Now row number 7, chain 1, 1 single crochet on the next stitch, put the stitch marker, and make another single crochet on the next stitch, 1 single crochet on each stitches. Row number 7, 8, 9 is going to be 1 single crochet on each stitches. See how it is? Now I am going to attach the eyes. On the 7th row, anywhere you can attach the eyes. Now skip 1, 2, 3 stitches, and on the 4th stitch attach another eyes. How is this? Hope you enjoy my video. Now I'm going to attach the base which I crocheted earlier. See how it is? This is also 18 stitches around. Now make a slip knot on each stitches. Insert the yarn needle in this, and on the base make a slip knot. Insert the needle onto the next stitch, and on the next stitch on the base, and make a slip knot. Continue this. Now stuffing time. Use the cotton and stuff it. Done. Now we move on to the next stitch. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little doubt about the number of chains. Now wrap the yarn around the chains, make a chain and pull a yarn a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 loops on my hook. Now pull the yarn and make one chain. Now move on to the next stitch and make a slip knot, rather stitch. How it is. Now make 2 more slip stitch on the next 2 stitches. Total number of slip stitch is 3. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Now wrap the yarn around the chain, make 1 chain and pull the yarn. Make it another 12 stitches on the chain 6 space. The 12th stitch. Now pull all the yarn from the needle, chain 1, chain 1 and make a slip knot on the next stitch. Okay, again make 3, continue this, 3 slip stitch, 6 chains and 12 stitches and 1 chain. Done. Now cut the yarn and secure it. Our cute little octopus is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Nandri, vanakkam.